Hello, today we will talk about animal organ systems. Animal cells do not have plastids or vacuoles filled with fluid. The absence of chloroplasts indicates that, unlike plants, animals themselves cannot create organic substances from inorganic ones. Hence, they are heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are organisms that consume ready-made organic substances, other organisms, their remains, or products of their vital activity. Click on the animal to learn more. Many animals get their nutrients directly from plants. These are called herbivorous species. There are animals that feed on dead remains of plants and animals. These are saprotrophs. There are also carnivorous species who get their food by hunting and consuming other animals. Animals that consume both plant and animal food are called omnivores. Parasites feed on organic substances of animals, humans or plants, settling in or on the body of host organisms. Hard ticks feed on the blood of animals and humans. Choose the animal you want to hear about again, or press Next to continue the lesson. Many animals get their nutrients directly from plants. These are called herbivorous species. There are animals that feed on dead remains of plants and animals. These are saprotrophs. There are also carnivorous species who get their food by hunting and consuming other animals. Animals that consume both plant and animal food are called omnivores. Parasites feed on organic substances of animals, humans or plants, settling in or on the body of host organisms. Hard ticks feed on the blood of animals and humans. An organ is a part of the body that is located in a certain place and is characterized by its unique structure and functions. Animals have the following basic organ systems: musculoskeletal, digestive, circulatory, respiratory, excretory, nervous, sensory, sexual, endocrine, and immune. The musculoskeletal system consists of the skeleton and muscles. The skeleton performs a protective function and keeps all internal organs in a certain position. Muscles are attached to the skeleton and allow various movements of animals. Press the switch to see the animal's skeleton or muscles. The digestive system consists of organs that ensure intake, processing, digestion of food, and absorption of nutrients. Some parasitic animals, for example cestodes, do not have a digestive system. They receive nutrients directly from the host's body through the integument. The circulatory system is designed to transport various substances, including gases and nutrients, as well as protect the body from pathogens and harmful substances. Most animals have a special muscular pulsating organ, a heart, which ensures the movement of blood through the vessels, blood circulation. The respiratory system is formed by organs that provide gas exchange. The structure of the respiratory organs depends on the animal's habitat. Many inhabitants of water bodies breathe oxygen dissolved in water. For this, they have gills. The respiratory organs of terrestrial inhabitants, lungs in vertebrates and trachea in insects, enable efficient use of oxygen in the atmosphere. Some animals are able to carry out gas exchange through the skin covering, for example, an earthworm. The excretory system is designed to remove the end products of metabolism, excess water, salts, and poisonous compounds from the body. Animals have systems for regulating the coordinated functioning of all parts of the body and for responding to external stimuli. Thus, the nervous system provides quick reactions in response to the action of stimuli and analyzes the information received from the sense organs. It also stores the received information, which enables animals to use the accumulated experience. The nervous system of various animals has a complex structure and is divided into central and peripheral. The central nervous system of vertebrates includes brain and spinal cord. The brain coordinates the activities of all organs and ensures complex forms of behavior. The sense organs of animals are able to perceive certain stimuli. The degree of illumination and often the colors and shapes of objects are perceived by the organs of vision, sounds by the organs of hearing, chemical substances by the organs of smell, etc. The sexual system is designed for reproduction of one's own kind. It includes gonads, which form gametes. The endocrine system is closely related to the nervous system. It consists of glands that secrete hormones and other special biologically active substances. These substances, together with the nervous system, coordinate the processes taking place in the body. The immune system serves to protect the body from foreign influences. Various pathogens, in particular,